Hey YouTube, Faada Spock with another one, another banger, another controversial topic. Alkaline has already peaked. Alkaline peaked. Let me tell you when Alkaline peaked. Alkaline peaked in the year 2017, 1 year after the 2016 that he was talking about. That's when Alkaline peaked. Yes, his career reached the ultimate height at that time because if you notice, Alkaline hasn't been really doing a lot since then. And a lot of you are going to be saying, oh, Alkaline is the man of the moment, and Vibes Cartel is the man of the moment. Where are you? Are you under a rock or something? I don't even know why people are still calling up Alkaline name in the dancehall discussions. Because Alkaline career peaked in 2017 and it's been downhill ever since that where his creativity is concerned. Now don't get me wrong, I rate Alkaline, I rate Vibes Cartel, I rate Massacre, I rate all of these artists. As I tell you, I'm a dancehall fan. I listen to every artist who is singing good songs, flow, melody, and all of that. And I listened Alkaline for a minute. And what I saw is that Alkaline, he peaked in 2017. Alkaline came in and he did a lot for dancehall. He contributed a lot to dancehall. And I'm not taking anything from Alkaline as far as his status in dancehall. Like I'm gonna say, oh, he washed up, and no, I'm not gonna do that. So for all of you anti-Vendetta fans thinking that I'm here to bash Alkaline, no, I'm just telling you, I'm just letting you know Alkaline already peaked. A lot of you look as if you're waiting to see the best of Alkaline. It is already past. It's already past. Alkaline came in and broke down barriers. Alkaline was the first young artist to have a concert for himself. When other artists were out there doing stage shows with 10 and 15 other artists, Alkaline was there with new rules, his own concert. Ladies, if you know that you were born sexy and you don't have to put in BBL to keep your man, subscribe. All the thugs out there, you know that you spend your own money when you party. Watch the entire video. Subscribe. So Alkaline's name has been calling up since Vibes Cartel has been released. When I thought that Vibes Cartel's arch rival was Movado, everybody is calling up Alkaline's name, and Alkaline and Vibes Cartel didn't even clash directly. It was just songs for songs, and people there insinuating that he was talking about Cartel and Cartel was talking about him. Yet still, even on Freedom Street concert, there are people calling up Alkaline's name. Like y'all just love to call Alkaline's name. Yes, he's done a lot for dancehall, but y'all are forgetting that Movado was the one who clashed with Cartel, not Alkaline. Yes, Alkaline has been releasing music videos and singles, but the last hot catalog that Alkaline did was the one with Hostage. I don't remember the name. It had songs like Magic, Hostage, and Ah. I remember those three songs. That's the last time Alkaline did a good body of work. The best work that he did was before 2016. The best work that Alkaline did was before 2016 when he was dropping Fleek, Champion Boy, How It Feel, Company, Things Take Time. Alkaline is now on a new flow. I don't know where he got that flow. No melody or little to no melody. I'm not saying that Alkaline isn't making money. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying he's not doing shows. Yes, he's still being booked, but he's not the man of the moment. If you're supposed to debate who is the man of the moment or the artist who is running things now, you'll hear Massacre and you'll hear Vybz Kartel. Alkaline peaked, his career peaked in 2017, while now Massacre is peaking now. So when I talk about peaking, you will get a gist on what I'm saying when I tell you Massacre is peaking now. Hits after hits. The entire dancehall is saying Massacre right now. That is peaking. Alkaline has lost his media presence. He's not even doing interviews anymore. He's not. When was the last time you saw Alkaline doing an interview? You tell me that. When was the last time you saw Alkaline on a full 10-20 minutes interview? He stopped doing interview, lost his media presence. He's not even living in Jamaica, he's living overseas, so he's missing from his roots. Maybe that is messing with his creativity. So, I'm not saying that he hasn't contributed to dancehall, but his best work was before 2016 and New Levels Unlocked in 2016. After that, it's been downhill. He's picked up a flow, a melody that a lot of us can't understand. So, no two artists ever peaked at the same time. When Alkaline peaked, Tommy Lee, Sparta, Massacre, and all of them wanted a piece of the limelight. You know, they were hungry to clash him. They wanted to clash him. They wanted to do interviews talking about him, all of that. Go and look back on the television, and he ignored all of them. And look at it now, Massacre is peaking. And he isn't giving Alkaline the time of day. I don't wrong him. I don't wrong Massacre for not looking at Alkaline now, because when Alkaline was peaking, he wasn't looking at Massacre or Tom Lee. So he's just steadying right now. He's not peaking right now. He's just doing things steady right now. If you agree with me that Alkaline has already peaked, just drop it in the comment section. Bright Spock TV saying, until the next video, God bless.